Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. After a kind of cold and rainy start to the weekend, we did have the sun return yesterday, and we started to feel the nicer weather take over for the first time in a couple of weeks, and that will continue most of this week. We have some great weather lined up today, and even warmer will likely be in the 70s. Tomorrow will be dry through Thursday, but the tax for the dry and pleasant weather through the work week will be some rain coming in over the weekend, so we expect our next cold front will bring an increasing chance of rain, probably late Saturday into Sunday. We'll get to that in just a moment, but your temperatures this morning settling to near freezing, and again, with all the rain we had last week, the ground's still fairly saturated. There will likely be some patchy fog out there, no dense fog, but those of you that do see some patchy fog out there, especially on I-30 where we've dropped to near freezing, be on the lookout for maybe just a glaze of ice on some of those bridges and overpasses if we get some more dense fog going. But again, so far so good this morning. Starting out in the 30s, still need the jacket early today, but with the sun shining and pleasant weather this afternoon, should feel absolutely fantastic after the lunch hour today, as everybody should wind up in the low to mid 60s, which will be just a few degrees warmer of what we experienced on Sunday. So high pressure in control here for the time being, and likely will be for much of the week. So we'll take a look here at Robin's Futurecast. Does show the sunshine out there all day today, and likely most of the day tomorrow as well. Late Tuesday, we actually have a cold front that's coming through, and that will kind of reinforce some of the dry air that we have in place. But given the sun out there tomorrow, actually it'll have warmer temperatures out ahead of that front in the 70s, and then we'll kind of drop back into the 60s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But that's the warmest day we've had in quite some time. Shreveport likely in the mid 70s tomorrow, low 70s for Texarkana as well on your Tuesday, and again we'll be back in the 60s Wednesday through Friday, and probably we'll see the clouds roll in ahead of this cold front on Friday, and you can see by Saturday morning we could actually see the rain begin to push in here, and expect we'll see some scattered storms late Sunday into Sunday night. Too far out yet to venture a guess at any significant severe weather, but it doesn't look like we would see any significant severe weather with this system. But definitely with temperatures in the 60s out of the head of the front, we would have to watch maybe potential to see some at least low-end severe weather potential. So we'll keep you updated on that. We should have the temperatures falling back into the 50s late in the weekend, and Sunday may turn into a day just like this last Saturday where we're just kind of overcast and drizzly through the day, and we'll actually feel those temperatures drop back into the 50s late in the weekend. But until then, we'll have those pleasant to warm temperatures throughout the week. Slight chance of rain Friday, but again, the higher chance of rain coming in late Saturday into Sunday. That front taking us from the 60s, dropping us into the 50s as we close out the weekend.